Hearing the allegations of Blizzard, it's disgusting. It's actually it's fucking wrong. I think a lot of people are not really realizing the severity of this. You can read the lawsuit or the allegations for yourself. They're all over the internet. But this is not just a girl that killed herself for being harassed. It's what they did after she killed herself by these disgusting, pathetic fucking losers at Blizzard. I can tell you right now, the state would not put forth this evidence or what they feel is proof without legitimate sources. People that are saying, oh, we don't know the full details yet. We don't know everything. No. The state is not going to go after a multi-million-dollar company if it doesn't feel like it has a little bit of truth. I can't even, I've been in EMS for 13 years. I've seen a lot of shit. So seeing something that I go to escape that and see that I'm supporting a company, even though probably the higher ups are not involved in this at all, they're still responsible for the employees and the behavior of their employees. If they even got a wind of this harassment, those people should have been fired immediately. So if it turns out that these higher ups knew anything about these employees on these business trips, I will fucking never touch a Blizzard game again. Bottom fucking line. You should be fucking ashamed.